You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 5 over x greater than -2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 2 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 5 over x greater than -2.